In today's video, we'll be showing you and reviewing a beautiful minute repeating full hunter mono pusher chronograph. This pocket watch is in outstanding condition given its age of almost 131 years old. Manufactured in 1889 and exhibited in the Exhibition Universelle in Paris in 1889. It won a medal for its innovative movement and manufacture. This piece was manufactured by a watchmaker, Sommer, and was made for the Mexican market. It's a Swiss-made movement with a nickel finish, keeping excellent time to the minute, even given its age. So a bit of history about this. The full hunter case is the name it derives from the face of the watch being fully enclosed. So you're not able to see the time until you press this button on the crown, just here. So above the crown there is a push button here. When depressed, it releases via this catch here the case, and you're able to tell the time. Now the watch winds just as a normal, say, manual winding watch in the same fashion of clockwise. You can go anti-clockwise or just clockwise, and that winds the watch. To utilize the mono button chronograph, you depress the button once, it starts the chronograph. You press it again to stop the chronograph, and then press it one more time and it resets it. The hand is actually hidden at the moment, but let's see if we can move that. So to utilize and to change the time on this watch, you have to tuck your nail in and slide at an angle. You don't just pull straight out, you just tuck your nail in there and then kind of twist it in a sweeping motion. As you can see, you want to kind of slide it upwards. That will then allow you to change the time. Always ensure that you push that back in and make sure that it's never out when using the minute repeating function. At any time, and never should you use both functions simultaneously. So always make sure that it's in the winding phase, and then you are able to listen to the beautiful chimes of this minute repeater by pulling down this slide. So the bells indicated by giving 3 bells. So 1, 2, 3 first. Those single bells would indicate the 3 hours. Then you had a double bell, so it was ding 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 to give you the 2 quarters, so you know it was 30 minutes, and then a single ding for each, or a single bell for each and single minute up until the next quarter. So let's try and listen to that again. Now let's change the time so you can see how that will change once we've gone past the 3rd quarter. Remember to depress the setting. I just always give it a little wind just to make sure it's back in the winding position, and then there we are. So you heard there was only 5 single bells towards the end, which was the 5 minutes past the 3rd quarter. history behind this watch was it was manufactured again for the Mexican market. You can see on the back it's inscribed with the movement. It's a 30 jeweled movement, nickel finish, with repetitions of the hours, quarters and minutes. Absolutely beautiful rose gold 18 karat case, which is stamped on the one of the cuvettes, on the main cuvette on the back, with the serial number. It has a glass case back here, which is on a snapback setting, so you can take this off should you wish to access it for servicing. And it's a real statement piece. Something like this has a nice plaque here, so should you wish to give it as a gift, you could maybe engrave this part here with an insignia or even initials, and it's a lovely space to be able to do this. Given its age and still keeping time to the minute, which we've tested, absolutely amazing. And the craftsmanship and the work truly is a testament to the watchmaker, and really is probably why he won the medal at the exhibition. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope this has been very informative, and please feel free to like and subscribe, and should you wish to see more videos like this or how to use other pocket watches, please let us know in the comments. And that concludes our video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like, share, subscribe and click on the notification buttons, and any suggestions you have, please leave a comment below. Hope you've enjoyed, and see you next time.